If you are using any other Forex broker in 2026, stop right now. Listen to what I will be saying in this video. This is not about exaggeration. It's based on review. It's based on positivity. I just want you to pay attention in this video because this video might blow your mind forever. And again, choosing the right broker in 2026 actually impact how you make money. Let me introduce you to a broker that you will be grateful forever. Believe me, I've been into so many brokers and I know exactly what they do. And honestly, they impact how you make profit. Have you ever wondered why you lose money for no reason? Did you ever think about it? Have you ever think about it, or have you ever wondered why you lose money even if your setup is correct? Did you ever think about it? Did you know that brokers contribute to how and when you make money? Most of you as a beginner traders, you don't know. Brokers contribute how and when you make money. Now, choosing the right broker actually impacts how much profit you become, how much profitable you become in any given time. If you have a wrong broker, they will contribute in you losing money so fast. Did you ever think that your broker is scamming you? I think most of the times I think about this, and believe me, they do scam you most of the times. There are a lot of hidden fees that you don't know about, but your brokers legitimately scam you. And believe me, if you are a beginner and you don't know much about trading or you don't know much about brokers contribute how you make money. They scam you most of the times. Now, until you get the right broker to trade with, believe me, you will be losing money consistently. Let's say you are supposed to be up every single month 60%, but because you are with the wrong side of the broker, you will be making about 10 to 15% every month. This is what I don't want. And in this video, I will be proud to introduce you to a broker that you will be grateful to have it forever. Now, we're going to be looking at the whole thing one step at a time in this video. Did you ever think about, let's say I want to change my broker? Did you ever thought about it that I think it's time for me to change my broker? Did that actually come to your mind that, hey, I think it's time for me to change my broker? If you are thinking about all of these questions that I just mentioned, believe me, I have answered to all your questions. This video is going to be 100% educational, and stick around and make sure you watch the video to the end. Most of you watch my videos without subscribing, and that actually hurts me a lot. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification for all notification in case I have a brand new video just like this one. Of course, you'll be the first person to get notification. Please don't forget to share with family and friends. That also helped me a lot. This video is going to be one of its kind. I just want you to stick around and make sure you watch it to the end because I will be breaking the whole thing step by step. Let's go on a short break. By the time I'm back, I will be breaking down the whole thing and why you need to change your broker today. Let's go. Welcome back. In today's video, I will be giving you some of the vital reasons why you need to switch your broker. Believe me, if you are like me, you have been in the world of trading for years, you will understand what I'm talking about. I've been in the world of trading for the past 15 years now, and I know exactly what I am talking about. Brokers contribute to how you make money almost every single day. Have you ever think about changing your broker? Time to time, believe me, I do change my brokers, and I know the reason why I do that. I've changed brokers more than 12 now, and I know the reason why it happens. And each time I am getting better. I want to introduce you to my latest broker. I think you have to pay attention. And some of the reasons why you need to switch your broker right now, I will be saying it in this video. I will be introducing you to FXPro and why I think FXPro is the future of brokers for traders today. Now, FXPro is one of a kind with super versatile leverage. I mean, FXPro give you 1 is to unlimited leverage. Believe me, with small amount of money, you have opportunity to open maximum lot size and you can trade without no fear because it's 1 is to unlimited. I know that leverage is something that work for you, and if you're wrong, it work against you. But believe me, FXPro, they don't shout much, they don't tell people what they offer, but a lot of brokers who offers 1 is to unlimited, believe me, it's not correct. By the time market move go in your direction, they will cut it down. They'll bring it, let's say 1 is to 500 automatically without you being even noticed. But with FXPro, 1 is to unlimited means 1 is to unlimited. And super simple, easy ways to make deposit and withdrawals instant. For me, I love it, and I see the reason why you need to switch right now. Now, I want to talk about when it comes to something we call slippage. Slippage is super tight when it comes to using the FXPro. I mean, their slippage is tight. Their accounts are Razor Plus, which is super tight spread, and believe me, you can use it anywhere in the world, but except for the US. traders. Gold can be traded super simple with, I don't know what to say, but I've been trading on this platform since I created my first account. I've been using it on a demo account, but believe me, this is how I test every single broker. But what I want to say to you today is that I will be starting using this FXPro from today henceforward. It's going to be my next broker. FXPro is the future of traders. FXPro is the way to go for traders. If you are like me and you're looking for versatility in trading, in broker, believe me, you are in with FXPro. Believe me, their commissions are also very, very small compared to most of the brokers out there, and I will be walking you around why you need to choose FXPro today. The link to get started right now, it's 100% available in the video description below and also the pinned comment. Like I said earlier, this is just the first video. This is just the beginning. I will be coming up with multiple follow-up videos about FXPro and why you need to start today with them. Okay, let's dive into my desktop where I will be sharing more with you. Let's go. If you come here, you're going to see I am on the official side of FXPro, and it looks simple with very, very easy user interface for beginners, and I love it so much. Now, if you click on the link I provide right there, it's a sponsor link. It's an IB link. That simply means you get incentive while you connect to me and while you register with the link, and then they'll give you a lot of deposit bonuses and incentive at the end of the day. So, of course, FXPro contact me. I contact FXPro. We have this MOU that here you can be our IB, and of course, anyone that use your link will get incentives. So now you can see that we have dedicated support 24/5. That simply means they don't work weekends, Saturday and Sunday, but from Monday to Friday, they are up and you can get what you want. Tight spread, you see, 3x lower. I mean, this is magnificent, 3x lower on Bitcoin and Ethereum with our Raw Plus account. And then capital, $120+ million right now. They have it. Dedicated support, high leverage 1 to unlimited, flexible leverage to suit any trading style, from low risk to high reward strategies. Believe me, this is real. I've tested it and it works. Trading app, 5x rated. Trade on the go with our award-winning app for mobile and tablet, packed with futures. Stop out. New offering. See that? 0%. Keep your trading open longer, giving you more control and flexibility to manage your strategy. For me, this is going to be a game changer truly when it comes to using this broker altogether. Believe me. Now, if you are looking for a broker to hedge, this is the actual true hedging broker. Now, I've been into a lot of brokers, like I said, and there's a broker that actually offer 1 to unlimited and razor thin leverage. But believe me, when I start with this broker, they don't work like that. It's not true. And when my pending order is get triggered, you know, there are a lot of slippage there. I think about 3 or 4 pips before. Sometimes it can even shoot to as high as 6, 7, 8 pips depending on the time you're trading, especially on metal such as gold. That simply means they don't offer exactly what I'm talking about. But with this FXPro, I tried the same system. I mean, the slippage there is super tight, less than 1 pips. Sometimes I'll see 0.3, which is super thin when it comes to pending order, triggering your pending order, buy stop or sell stop included, because I even use the buy stop and sell stop more. I don't even use the limit order. Okay, for me, if you're into hedging and if you're a hedger, and believe me, this is the best broker for you, because I've tried hedging with FXPro and the result is mind-blowing. I was very happy when I saw the result. I was very happy while I was trading, and I saw the result is magnificent. I love it with passion. So FXPro is the way to go, and the link to get started is available in the video description below and also in the pinned comment below once again. So we're going to look at more into this, and we're going to see why it's very important. Coming back down to the official website, trade Forex indices, stocks, and more with FXPro, the world #1 broker. There's no doubt they are the #1 broker in the world, a broker you can trust. You can use it on TradingView. Great. This is they have about, look at the star rating. We're talking about 4.5 star rating, Bloomberg's, and so much more. You can see a lot of sponsors are all here. Standard account. This is one thing I want you to see. Standard account, great account, a great account for all type of traders with floating FX, spread from 1.2 pips via MT4, MT5, and micro lot trading available. Now, this is the account I trade. I call it Raw Plus account. Get VIP treatment with 0 spread for 90+% of the trading day plus low commission. This is what I'm telling you, max $3.5 per lot per side, MT4, MT5. This is the main account that I'm using right now, and I'll log into my account. I'll show you my demo, because definitely I start testing broker using demo account before I go real. so I can, know much about it. And if you are like me, this is what you do. But believe me, this will not be my last video, because I will be coming up with videos trading live account in your present. If you see me making more money, real money, and then if you're convinced, you can start. But I'm telling you now, you can get started today in 2026 with this broker. If you are using any other broker aside from this broker, believe me, you are missing out a lot, because the FXPro has been there for years, 25 plus years I think, and they have been in the market. They have stand the test of time, and believe me, those guys are real. They're too good. Now coming back here, they have FXPro trading platform. That's number one. They have TradingView, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. That simply means you have a lot of ways to start using the platform. Okay, go down here, you're going to see some of the interface of the platform they're having. You can scan this code and download either on App Store or Google Play, and then you can get started right now. So without wasting any of your time, I will be like kind of sharing some certain things with you about this broker. I'll be logging into my account, and we're going to see how much I was able to make with the demo account within a few days. And most of you think that demo is not real. Demo, whatever happened on demo account is the same thing that will happen on real account. So let's go and see. So coming back here, you're going to see we're going to go ahead and click on this button here. We're going to click on login. So click on login. Okay, so when you click on login, there are a few things I want to do. I want you to see just give you email. Super simple. You can see 8 millisecond ultra fast execution, 0% funding fee, 24/5 support, 0.01 micro lot trading, 2,100 plus instrument available. So all we have to do right now, I'll just go ahead and add my email. Bam, this is my email, and then I'll click on continue. So they will be sending me code to my email, and which is I'll select how I want to receive the code to log in with our password, email, Telegram, WhatsApp, SMS. You see that? Email, Telegram, WhatsApp, and SMS. Which one? For me, I think I prefer the email, so I will be selecting email. Then I'll click on send verification code. Super simple, and they've sent it. So let's go to my inbox. Here on my inbox, I'll just click on refresh, and I'm going to see if they have sent that code to me. Yeah, here is the code, FXPro identity. So I'll click on it, and voila, they have sent the code for me. Here is the code. So I'll just go ahead and copy the code and copy like this. Come back here, and I'll just right click and paste it right inside, and bam. So this is it. So they will just verify the code and then give me access to my account. Super simple. So for me, this is just one thing I love about the FXPro. Is super simple, versatile, and very, very beginner friendly. Now I'm coming back to the official site. This is my dashboard. You can see I have 2 real accounts already, ready to get funded right now, because I will be funding those accounts anytime soon. First thing I want you to see here is that the MT5 Hedging Raw Plus, see that? Fund your account with $100 or more to get to start now. So that means you can get started. The minimum start capital with the Raw Plus account is $100. This is what I like much. So definitely, if you want to make money, avoid trading avoid funding your account with $100, with $50, $10, $20. Some people can say, yeah, you can make even $1 deposit and start trading immediately. But at least start minimum to get started. That is very, very good and acceptable is $100. So $100, and pay attention to this. You're going to see, don't forget what I told you, hedging, MT5 Hedging Raw Plus. Now this hedging is very, very important. If you are a hedger like me, that means you will be paying attention to FXPro, because it's the best way to go right now. Okay, so this is the account, and then I will be also going through, and then I will be sharing with you my demo account, what I've traded the account so far, and I was very happy with the result, and it's very, very beautiful. Okay, so coming back here, creating your account is super simple. This is my dashboard right now, and then if you go to funding, which I'm supposed to share with you how to create your account before now, but don't worry, I'll show you next. So coming back here, if you go to the demo account here, let's go to demo account. You can see that I was able to start with $1,000. I'm up $3,042 right now. I can see I use the same leverage I'm talking about, 1:1 unlimited. So it gives me more rooms to trade, and with little capital, and do whatever I want to do with it. So this is beautiful. I was happy about the result with this broker, and they're the best once again in town. They're the best in town. So coming back to real account, let's say you wanted to make deposit right now. All you have to do is to come back here and click on fund. Once you click on fund, like for me, that I'm in Nigeria right now, so I have a lot of options to make my deposit. You can see that I have Naira bank transfer. That means I can transfer with Naira account. Super simple. Naira bank transfer is available for me. Credit/debit card available. Pay with locals also available. Local payment methods, even Coda Pay or Cora. I think it's Cora Pay. It's available, and Visa, a lot of options. USDT, Ethereum, BTC, other cryptos are also available. Litecoin, Binance BNB, and the rest, Solana, USDC, and a lot more. Even Skrill and also bank transfer. I mean, this is so versatile, and then the same way you can make deposit with this account still available. So for me, this is going to be a game changer once again. If you want to get started today, now the link to get started is 100% available in the video description below. This is a simple broker. I think everybody can get started today, and believe me, I will be trading with this broker now. From today henceforward, I am officially telling you that I have changed my broker in 2026, and that's it. Each year I change my brokers, I will be telling you. But if FXPro will remain the way it is, I don't think from 2026 up next, from 2026 and beyond, I don't think I will be changing my broker anytime soon, because what I'm looking in brokers for years, I have finally found it in FXPro. So I will be using it from today henceforward. And if you want to follow me, the link is available, and that simply means if you use my link, you will be having a lot of incentive and 100% deposit bonus. I mean 100%, I'm not just exaggerating. My link is tied down with 100% deposit bonus for all my subscribers, those who follow me on YouTube and those who use my link even though you didn't follow me on YouTube. So long you use my link, you will be having 100% deposit bonus with FXPro just for using my link. The link is available in the video description below and also in the pinned comment. So do yourself a favor by going there and get access to just click on it, access the website, create your account, and found it, you can get started immediately. Okay, so coming back here, I want us to see something. I want us to log out. Let me log out from my account, and then let's go through setting up your account. So let's go back to the official site, FXPro. Okay, so let's remove this website. Okay, let's go to fxpro.com. Right, so let's go to fxpro.com, and one thing I want you to go click on register. If you want to register your account, click on register, and coming back to register, you can see select your country and Nigeria. You put very straightforward. The next thing, just add your email, and then you can just add your password of your choice, and then click on register with FXPro. Super simple. So you can see this is Nigeria, and then there are a lot of countries are available here, accepted. I think the only country that I'm not seeing here is the United States, but for Nigeria and every other countries, there are much available here. So it's a simple way to get started with. Add your country, you can just add your email, just put your preferred password, and then hit on this register with FXPro, and you're good to go. So it's very simple to register your account with FXPro. Now honestly, this will bring me to the end of the video, but that will not be my last video. I will be coming up with other videos, follow-up videos for you to see and to understand the reason why I switch. And I will be, anytime I want to make deposit into my real account, I will let you know. I will be making deposit. I'll create a video on how to make deposit so you can see and maybe follow my lead, and I'll start using the account to trade. And I also want you to be seeing me trading with FXPro live, and how much I was able to make. I will let you know to see my start balance and see how far I've gone with the account and all of that. So that will not be my last video. I mean, hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon in case I have a follow-up video on this FXPro. You'll be the first person to get notification. Thank you once again for your time. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one, but until then, I want to say bye.